For an ecological transition, we require a more rational use of energy and making power generation, transmission and distribution more efficient. We consume energy everywhere to move, to work, to produce, to connect and to create. Real data monitoring and digitalization is the first cornerstone to be able to match demand with energy production. Monitoring critical assets like underground high voltage cables diminishes system outages and in turn increments the whole system efficiency. High voltage underground electricity networks are assets that require a high level of investment. They entail great access complexity and high repair, installation and assembly costs. Their maintenance and in particular the ability to predict and find the component and location of a fault is critical to guarantee the continuity, efficiency and quality of energy. Imagine a monitoring system that allows real-time fault prediction, gives a direct value of asset utilization, monitors wave quality while introducing new renewable sources to the grid and provides the exact point of a failure. This can be the best solution for the improvement of efficiency and for the reduction of the energy bill costs. For all sectors, monitoring with real-time, precise data has enormous benefits. Lumiker has developed the best solution to enable it, CAMOS, ahead of its time using optic sensors which are passive, ATEX and electromagnetic resistant, providing real-time continuous current data with a sensibility of 7 kHz. Our system consists of 3 elements: a processing unit to process the signals received from the optical current transformers and to convert them into data that is then connected to the client, the OCTs that capture the information from the cable and sends it to the CPU through the optic fiber, and multiplex systems that allow for different OCTs to share signals through the same fiber, minimizing the use of normal optic fiber. CAMOS will provide a global solution to maximize energy efficiency while reducing operational and maintenance costs. To certify and try our system, in 2018, Energinet joined us as a partner and installed our cable monitoring optical system CAMOS in one of its newly built high-voltage underground cables at Copenhagen. Lumiker has from then invested in manufacturing, commissioning and connecting CAMOS to Energinet, providing reliable first-scene monitoring data from the cable screens and ground circuits. Energinet has provided the best testbed and necessary infrastructure and will stand as the first worldwide TSO to monitor real synchronized high voltage currents in module and in angle. CAMOS will enable clients to feed their prediction, prevention and correction maintenance models and to improve their asset utilization, contributing to a gain in energy of the whole system, minimizing outage times and human line work. The implementation of optical solutions will then generate efficiencies that consumers may benefit from, bringing down the system cost of energy. CAMOS is the only actual system being able to monitor the real current flowing through the cable screens, including sheath ground circuits to analyze the insulation health in the cable. The solution determines the fault phase, the major fault part, the minor part and the exact point in the line. It reduces excavations and improves brigade human security. CAMOS enables to assess the state of critical points such as joints, connections, switch gears or terminal points. Our solution is easy to install, does not require external power, optimizes the use of fiber optics and is standardized and modular for any underground high voltage facility. It also offers a precise continuous measurement of the real losses in the cable screens that facilitate the connection with other critical assets, digital communication between teams and interconnection to facilitate protections, real-time gathering of data and connection to the client's SCADA system, and much more. Get in contact with us. Ask for CAMOS.